So here's my first day at Blue Sails. A working holiday really. Hundreds of sketches, I've just put a few up here just to show you what I've been doing. Now the idea is that I'm going to work all these sketches into watercolour paintings. I've done the sketching to show you how I operate. Loads and loads of photographs. But what I find is when you sketch something actually there, you can get the majesty of the nature really. So I'll just show you now. Look at this for a view. Bit of fun there with the chairs. But look at that. Absolutely stunning. Changes every hour. If you can't find a reason to paint watercolours here, you never will. So yeah, it's just a little foretaste of my next tutorial. Landscapes, mist, clouds, skies, water. That's what it's going to be about. And yeah, I'm based at Blue Sails. Look at that. It's a gorgeous place. So I'll see you in the first lesson of my next tutorial. Bye now.